first of all, radius 150. So I put it on the axis there, and then the position is 200. So 200, okay. Then I have 2 points, so I create 1 point somewhere here, and this point is 12, okay, and is minus so 150 from bottom, okay. Then I can switch on symmetry on the y-axis, and I do an arc, this point. Oh, sorry, I did wrong. It's a free arc. Okay, so this point, this, and the radius has to be 350. Okay, and I trim this. Okay, for the sketch number 1. After that, and they say also create this sketch, then edit 2 circles of radius 10 at the end of the handle. So I need to have 2 radius 10 on this position. So I create a new sketch. I have to give the correct orientation, so this orientation, okay, but I need to have this plane at the beginning of the sketch here, so I have to create an offset plane, and it has to be at 150. So now the plane is exactly here, okay.
That was the distance that the dots were from the...
And then
okay.
Radius 10, 1 here and 1 here, okay.
Because you're still in symmetry mode? Oh,
No, I
okay.
did two different, okay. I could use the symmetry. Now they ask you to make the next sketch, but at the top of the racket. It's a tennis racket. Okay. So I create a new sketch. Select the correct orientation. Okay, the orientation is correct, and this plane cut the racket at the top, so the plane position is correct. Okay.
Can you make that...
If I go on top view, my plane is
Sure.
cutting here, so that's fine. The plane is correct, but the origin point I don't want here, I want somewhere here. So I can create a new point, and the point I can do it on a sketch. So somewhere I should see on a sketch, on profile, or on profile, okay. What is the profile? It is the profile. And then I have many options. I can put a ratio, so if I put it just in the middle, 0.5 is the middle, but I can click also middle, and you see the point is just at the middle of my profile, okay. Then I can draw my sketch. So if I have a look in 3D, my origin point is at the top of the rocket, and the orientation is correct. So I have to create radius 5 here, and the distance is 10, 10, okay. and I have to connect this with a radius 20. So again, free arc or radius 20, and I can start here and finish here, start here and finish, and then I trim this, trim and trim. Okay, my sketch is at the top of the rocket. I have one sketch, a second sketch, and a third one in 3 different planes. Okay, I'll let you do this.
How do you, what's the step to just create a new sketch?
Just you just click here,
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
and then you have to define the plane and the origin, both or one or the other one. But
So, yeah, okay. So 3 sketches in the same part.
Yeah.
Okay. Under the same part. Same part.
so I have to explain how to make now the following
Yep.
operation. You can try, but I think you spend all day trying to do it.
Faith.
Okay, so next operation is to create a surface. So you go in the surface menu, and you have to use the gabarit. Gabarit is, I think, lofted. No, not lofted. Yes, this one, swept. Swept menu. So we have to select the path. The path is the first sketch. You have to select one profile. So as you can see on the blue line, on the blue path, you have a direction. So where is the beginning of the,
Bottom right.
here it is, okay? So I select the first profile that is located at the beginning of the path, okay? And he asked me also to give a position of the path. So the position is the first point of the path. So I already have a result. So if I accept like this, I have a constant tube
Right.
with the first with this sketch, which is a circle. I can add a second profile. So I select the second one. One more time, what is the position on the sketch? So normally 1 point is over there. So I don't see it, but remember when you created the sketch number 3, you create a point for the origin point of the sketch number 3. So if I go in entities here, I see there is 1 point here, and I can select this point over there. So it was already in fact in the list because I created, so it is in the list. If it's not on the list, I have to create new point and to give the position. So now I have two profile with the 2 position, okay? I have to synchronize now the 2 profiles. So as you can see on the first one, I have a direction arrow here with the start point of a profile. So if I look at it in front of it, it looks like it is at 3 o'clock, correct? If I put my view in front of this, like this, it is at 3 o'clock. Okay. So now if I turn around and look at the second one, I must have this also more or less at 3 o'clock. to synchronize it. Okay. when I have synchronized this, I can go and select now the last one, and I need to give also the last point, which is this one. Okay. Oh, the profile is not selected, sorry. And position is this one. Okay, so now you have seen that it has disappeared. Why? Because if I look at this, on the direction of my path, I'm no more at 3 o'clock, but I am at 9 o'clock. So I bring this back 3 o'clock, but the direction is opposite. So I put it up. So again, I start here 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
So you just want the orientation up.
Yeah, following the path.
Right.
And 3 o'clock. And I'm good.
Right.
So as you can see, it starts cylinder, then become like oval or whatever, and so I can accept this. And so there is an option here. You can see it's empty inside. So if I open my operation, I can uncheck surface, and then it is solid. Okay. I just prefer to be in a solid all the time. This software is a solid software. It's better to work all the time on solid, but sometimes it's necessary to switch on surfaces. Okay. Just one more thing. As you can see, the first sketch was not correct. If I edit, it doesn't start at the correct. Yeah. So first, select your path.
So my path is this.
Okay.
Right.
Very good. Now, select first. Oh, first of all, move a leader in 3D. Let's go in top view. Yes, top view.
This is top?
No, top view is the camera here. Okay. Zoom out a little. So direction is this one. So first profile is at the beginning. Okay. So select profile.
First profile.
And select the first circle. No. Zoom out on this. Click again here to make the selection again and select the circle. Okay. So you have the path correct, you have the first profile correct. You need the position of this profile on the path. Okay, so you have a list, but in this case it's at the beginning, so you can just click inside this and go and select the point. Okay.
Okay.
So now you have the first profile correct, and so no, it's not finished.
Okay.
Move a little in 3D now, like this. Okay.
Which way are we going?
So you start at 3 o'clock.
That was 3 o'clock.
Now you can select to add a new profile. So no, just click in. No, just click inside. Okay, and then you make a selection. In fact, each time you click inside this, it means that you want to make a selection on the screen.
Okay.
Now move down.
Let's see if I can get it.
Move out a little. Okay.
Okay. So there's my.
Okay, this is the second profile.
Second profile.
Okay. Now you have to click inside this to say where is the point of this. No, inside.
Or just inside there. Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Inside. If you click inside, you can select on the screen. The problem, you don't see the point on the screen. It's not here. You don't see it. So you have two options. Because you created a point to generate this profile, you know that the point is in the list. So if you open the list, you have point 1. You see, it's in the middle of your profile. So you can use this.
Okay.
If you forget it, here in the entities, you see you have the point, and if you just switch off point 1 and now on. Normally you see it, but it's inside this, so maybe you don't
Okay.
see. Okay.
Okay.
But you can also enable all the points,
Mhm.
and then you can select on the screen. Okay.
Okay.
So you have
How do I get this to a flat plane? Just
go on top view. Top view, yeah. Okay. And then you can
Oh
turn,
right. Yes. Okay.
with this. Okay.
Yeah.
So at the moment, zoom out a little. Okay. So you did this one,
Mm-hmm.
but you have to synchronize and put at 3 o'clock. No, not like this. Be careful because you did a new selection here.
Okay.
So you have to say again.
Go back to my position point.
No, just select again this. Yes. No, I closed. You have to start
Okay,
again.
start again.
Okay, so swept,
Yeah. Swept.
path.
Path.
Okay. First profile on the path.
First.
No, you have to select on the screen.
All
Or
right.
maybe you have the list also. You can say it's sketch.
Sketch one?
No, it says sketch 2 normally. So it's not here. So
Okay.
zoom out and move in 3D. Okay, so
So
select.
it's this guy.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Position.
Position is
That point.
Point.
Okay.
Okay.
So 3 o'clock. Okay. and
That's okay. That's 3 o'clock already.
okay.
Yeah.
So now you know that you have to be on 3 o'clock on the next one.
Let's do this.
And left.
Okay.
Okay. So here it is. Okay. So be careful. So let me
Yeah. it's
just
spinning
move
around.
like this and zoom out to see the
Okay.
zoom on this position. Okay. So now you can click here to select, click and select
My profile.
profile and position in the list. It is 0.1. So you open the list and it is 0.1.
Point 1. Right. Okay.
Okay.
We did that.
And
And then I
then
have to
you have
change this
to
to here.
move this away.
Just drag and drop.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, and then take the point and
Mhm.
move it at 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
That's close enough.
Yeah, more or less. That's right.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to add the last profile. So again, you have to click inside this, zoom out, move in 3D, and select the third one.
Oh yes. Okay.
Okay, you can.
Uh,
Okay,
zoom
yes.
in. So this is.
Yes, the third one. The position on the path, click here and then select the point.
In the center.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. And then it's no more synchronized because it has to be at 3 o'clock. So
Mhm.
again, move this sticker away. Okay, move at 3 o'clock, but reverse direction. It has to be
Just double click on it.
double click on the yellow arrow.
And that turns it
that's
the other
it.
way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's now 3 o'clock. When you follow the shape,
mhm.
it is 3 o'clock and
Okay.
up direction. And then you can accept this.
Okay.
We could have figured that out.